Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my outpost. Today is a good day. Today we finished up the cabin and I'm moving tools out. So I've started to move in. I brought in the first apple box full of staples. And I went through the box just in case you might be curious as to what I consider staples for a new outpost to get me started. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to do a walk around the cabin. I will take some outside pictures of it for you. This is the video I think a lot of people have been waiting for, the finished cabin. I am finished up and deer season is 1 week away. So I put in the bed today, moved in a box of staples to get me started, and we will start deer hunting here in 1 week. So I think that's about it. I did a cabin tour with the GoPro just so you could see the inside. I don't have my kitchen in yet. I'm still working on that. Basically, I got the countertop built. I just need to put a couple coats of polyurethane on it, and then I'll be hauling that in here to install. The other thing I'm working on is I've got a gas stove out of a camper. I am welding up a metal rack to hold the gas stove. And the reason I'm going with a metal square tubing rack is because it's fairly close to the wood stove, so that'll eliminate the problem there as far as the building anything out of wood to hold the stove. So that'll wrap up my small kitchen out here. It is a 3-burner stove with an oven, so I'll be able to bake or I'll be able to heat up anything that I bring out. So enjoy the video, and I will see you next time. Okay, let's see what we brought in. This is my first move into the cabin. Got to have a pot for heating up dishwater. I really like these antique ones. This is a peanut butter jug full of forks for the boys. Forks and spoons for the boys. I guess that was spoons. Some hard silverware for cooking. Spatula for the fireplace. Spatula for inside. A quart of rice. Some cooking oil for the frying pan. And cornmeal. This is for breakfast. Cook that up, a little bit of milk. Makes a good breakfast. So far for spices, I brought in some chicken bouillon. That's because I can take small game, rice, and this chicken bouillon and make a good supper. It's on the shelf. Box of matches. I'll be making bread, so in came a thing of baking powder. My measuring cups. I brought in a magnifying glass because that's one of my favorite ways to build a fire. Measuring spoons, cooking pot. Now what's in this box, do you suppose? I would say this is probably the most important part. This is a brand new coffee pot given to me by my daughter for my birthday for the new cabin. Hauling in the woodshed for this winter. I don't have time to build a real one, but this will work. There's still so much to do here. The cabin was just phase one of a grand plan. Get the cabin built so that I got a comfortable place to sleep, stay warm, enjoy the week or enjoy 2 weeks in here. The only way in is by six-wheeler or snowmobile. The other things I've still got to do here is build tree stands. I'm going to put in a minimum of 3 tree stands. I've got 3 different spots already picked out. So I'll probably be hauling in the materials for that this winter, and maybe all that will be sitting in here for next spring, and I'll get a chance to build all that. That's all that pipe staging that I was looking for back in the summertime. So the pipe staging has still got to come in. My plan is to build little fish houses, little hunt shacks up on top of the pipe staging, and that way my grandsons can come out. They're still quite young, but I would like for them to come out and be able to enjoy this cabin along with me and enjoy maybe some deer hunting from those little hunt shacks up on the pipe staging. So we'll see what happens. I will see you next week.